Hey, what's up you guys? Welcome back to another video. We're currently in some parking garage and I want to test out my 0 to 60 time with the new tune. And obviously we're not going to do it in here, don't worry. I got my coffee from Cafe Nero. We just found a place in the middle of nowhere. I think the road here is long enough so that way we can actually get to 60 miles an hour. But it doesn't seem like there's any people working here, so I'm gonna try it, but we're not gonna do it more than twice, I think, because for security reasons and stuff. It's 59 degrees right now. It's so random because it's like the end of November. It's like near Thanksgiving and it's really warm. You know, like one of those freak days in the middle of the fall or like in the winter where it's just like absurdly warm for no reason. Like yesterday or 2 days ago, it was like 25 degrees Fahrenheit. Now it's 60. We have the P gear right here, and we're gonna test out the 0 to 60 right now. And by the way, I'm on winter tires right now. Here, let me show you guys. Just so that way you guys know I'm not lying. Winter, Soto 0. So like the winter tire rubbers, the composition of the rubber is very different compared to summer tires. Summer tires are harder while the winter tires are soft. And I think if we did have summer tires on, it would shave off like 0.1 seconds or 0.2 seconds even. So we're gonna try the 0 to 60 right now. So there we go. 4.19 seconds from 0 to 60. On winter tires, I think that's pretty good, but we're just gonna try it one more time. And I'm skeptical because there's like a lot of traffic going on over here. And I don't want anyone to call the cops on me for doing something like this in the back of a parking lot. So we're gonna do that one more time. First round was 4.19 seconds. Let's see if we can get it to 4.0 seconds. All right, so we're gonna do it one more time. Second try, 4.2 seconds. We're just gonna leave it at that. 4.1 seconds, 0 to 60, winter tires. All right, so I'm just gonna end the video right there. There you go, eurocharged tune, that's it, just a tune. That's the only performance mod that I have. I don't have like air filters. I have stock AMG performance exhaust. Like I don't have a decatted exhaust, and I don't have upgraded turbos or anything. Make sure to hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Maybe when it starts snowing and stuff, I'll try to do something fun, and maybe I'll get a 0 to 60 with winter tires on when it's really cold, like 10 degrees or something. Maybe that won't go too well, but we're gonna try anyway.